Mayeni knows Musamseleku's mother than Macele. Musamseleku met Macele in 2000. His mother, Ugogo Flo, was already passed away. Mayeni and Musamseleku, they dated on 1990s. His mother, Ugogo Flo, was still alive, but she was not okay. Musamseleku was make sure that his mother was bathed everything. She is clean because of Musamseleku. His sister Nompumelelo was still young, so Mayeni came to help Musamseleku at that time in Muzumbe. So Ugogo Flo loves Mayeni very much. So Macele, maybe she is bitter sometimes that Musamseleku and Mayeni, they meet together at the first time, and Mayeni was being chosen by his mother Ugogo Flo because Mayeni was doing it to help her boyfriend. Mayeni, when she met Musamseleku doesn't have money as he is now. When those wives they meet Musamseleku, his life was better because Mayeni and Musamseleku, when they are in relationship, those people, they are not in relationship because of money or what. They love each other, that deep love. And now we see it that Musamseleku is deep in love with Mayeni. He can't live without Mayeni. So Mayeni came to help Musamseleku to take care of his mother. It is difficult, guys. Your boy child who can bath everything to make sure that you wear clothes, wash clothes. Musamseleku was washing clothes for his mother, Ugogo Flo, everything. So Mayeni came in Muzumbe and helped there and there as Musamseleku's girlfriend. Macele, when she came in Musamseleku's life, Ugogo Flo was already passed away. So it's difficult to Macele that she can head that history that the second wife, imagine the second wife knows your mother-in-law than you are the first wife, but you don't know your mother-in-law. So it's very difficult for Macele, like maybe she is jealous or what. You know that Musamseleku and Mayeni, guys, we don't want to lie. Those people, they can't live without each other. They can insult each other on cameras or what, but behind the cameras, those people, they are begging, sorry, apologizing to each other than other wives. Mayeni doesn't love Musamseleku because of the money. Money comes into Musamseleku's life there because at that time when they meet on 1990s, Musamseleku was still at school. Mayeni was still at school. Guys, Musamseleku has already have got snare. Musamseleku have got a child when he was still young. But Mayeni and Musamseleku, they are in good relationship together, guys. You know that when your mother-in-law chooses you, that you are the one, you have to feel special sometimes. But yo, guys, it's so difficult for Macele. Musamseleku was always saying those things that Mayeni knows Ugogo Flo, and Ugogo Flo says this is the one, said those things to Mayeni. That's why you saw when it comes to Mayeni, Macele can have got a voice to other wives. But when it comes to Mayeni, Macele can got angry, but she doesn't have power to Mayeni or to do something because Macele knows that Mayeni, she was supposed to be the first wife. Macele always saying those things. When it comes to Mayeni, she can be angry, but to tell Mayeni the truth, that she can tell Mayeni face to face that she was doing it to Makumalo. Macele can't do those things because Mayeni, again, she is hurt because it looks like maybe Macele took her husband. You understand? Why Macele came the first wife, what? Maybe Mayeni was expecting that Musamseleku was supposed to wait for her for many years. Guys, men, they can't wait for you. If you want to a break with a man in relationship, yes, women, we can have a break, but men, they move on with other people. Even they'll still come or maybe to you for some of the years, but men, they can move on because when Mayeni and Musamseleku, they go back together, at that time they separated. Musamseleku was already have got two wives, you understand? Musamseleku have got kids, many kids outside there. Men, they don't wait for a long time.